Alright, y'all. What's good with y'all, man? Today, I'm gonna be showing y'all the little Q50 brake light as a turn signal mod, I guess, from Diode Dynamics. It's like very simple to install, quick and easy too. All y'all need is basically some 3M double-sided tape. Well, I recommend that for sticking the resistor on, and then like a pick or like a screwdriver, something that you can remove pull tabs with. But I'm gonna show y'all how it looks before with the regular halogen bulb as a turn signal versus the third brake light. Is the brake light as a turn signal. Well, you got them weird people, bruh. Them weird people that be slowing down looking at you because you filming, bro. I swear, bro. People so weird, bro. But go ahead and move this stuff out the way. I'm gonna turn that off so I can show y'all. And I don't think I'm editing nothing either. I ain't trying to edit nothing. Look, still driving slow, man. Like, what you doing? Go ahead and turn these hazards off. There we go. Gonna pop the young trunk. Bam. Before I open this, I want y'all to excuse the mess, okay? My trunk ain't usually like this, but I got, that white pipe that ain't to get installed, and then a bunch of car stuff. The Gatorade ain't going nowhere. But basically, all y'all gotta do is remove these couple of plastic tabs, one, and then two right here at the bottom. And if you have the net like I do, you just gotta take that off to remove the plastic pins that are in there. Then you just pull this back, and it'll give you access to the plug at the bottom, and you'll literally just plug in this thing. It's literally just direct plug-in. Like, this part will go into the part that you unplugged, and the other part will go in the other part that you unplugged. And you just will stick the resistor to the metal at the bottom. And I use the 3M to hold down these resistors. And then, of course, the pick tool to get it started. But like I said to y'all, man, I'm not editing nothing. Move those. I'm giving y'all the real. I'm not sugarcoating nothing. Show y'all just how fast you can do this. And then this is me with the camera in my hand too, so once again, it'd be way faster for y'all. And I'm doing this with my less dominant hand as well. So you wanna pull that back, put your tool down first actually, and then pull this one back as well. And you will have access to your plug, which is, I don't know if y'all can see that. It's like down there at the, yep, it's like right there, that white thing right there, all the way at the back. At the bottom with the cord sticking out of it. You can just unplug that. See if I can get to it. Like I said, I ain't trying to sugarcoat nothing. I feel like the driver's side was definitely had more room in it. Dang. I might have to put y'all down real quick. Sit y'all right here. Bam. Hey, this side is way tighter. I should have did this side first, dude. The driver's side had way more space in it than this side. And unless I remove this all the way or something. I don't got the smallest of hand. Oh, never mind. I reached my right hand in here. My right hand. Almost got it. Dang, this junk is tight. Got it out. Alright. As y'all can see, is this gray one right here. That gray one. Yep, right there. The plug is sitting right there. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take your, yeah, look at that bird. Yeah. It's a nice caca. Real nice. So gonna take this, unplug this part from this part, and then literally you'll just plug in this bottom part to that, and then this bottom part into the one that's attached to the car at the bottom. So I'm gonna put y'all down again. Y'all hear me struggling, man? Just know it's not hard. It's just super tight in here. If I wasn't lazy, move this stuff up there, I'd probably just pop this whole thing off out the way to make it easier. But I didn't do that. I swear, bro, there don't be nobody coming over here until I'm ready to come over here and do something, bro. That's the only time that people come over here. Whenever you trying to do something. Any other time, but nobody doing it. Nobody did. Had a van pull up. They got that truck over there. And then that one dude in that blue car riding by all slow. It's just like, bro, what you doing? People just weird, bro. Just be weird, bro. And I can't see nothing. Oh, man. Now, there we go. Now I got more space, but it's basically too late now. Alright, y'all. I just plugged that bottom part. Yeah, it's better now. I done moved it out the way, but that into that part, and then I swear if y'all was to buy it and y'all get it, y'all would literally understand everything that I'm trying to tell y'all. Which we just gonna take a little bit of 3M and stick it on there on those resistors, and then just attach them to the metal at the bottom right there that it's sitting on, basically, and then you'll be good to go. I apologize for putting y'all down. Like I said, man, I ain't editing nothing. I hope the audio is good too, because it's a little windy. And I got that sitting on there. And that glass too. So I don't know how good it's going to be. Man, shit, you know what? Don't be stupid like I did. Put the tape on there before you plug it in so that you can reach in there and put it on. Don't be stupid like I did. Nails neither. Hurt. there was another person telling me, nope. But some of these people do just be like on their lunch break or something and be coming to eat their lunch. Over here, it's pretty quiet. If y'all want to hear me talk, I suggest just skipping past. So I'm literally doing just teeny tiny stuff. I ain't got no nails. I'm trying to peel this 3M tape back. After 30 minutes, I finally get the 3M tape peeled back. Oh my God. Alright. After, probably took me like way longer than it should have, but I just 3M double-sided tape the resistor to the body of the car, and then, you know, like I said earlier, I plugged in the opposing connectors, male and female, into each other, and we're gonna check and see if it works. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. Gotta clean up my mess though. Clean up that young mess. Got all these people getting off work, I guess. Yeah, it's about time. It's about 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, something like that. Oh, I think it's on. I think it's working. The lights is coming on. No issues, so. And yep. It worked perfectly fine. I'm gonna close this trunk real quick just to give y'all what it looked like. Yeah, working perfectly fine. Looks way better than the ugly center ones though. Way better. I'll give y'all that young them sequentials. But they mighty fun. And then I thought about getting the sequence for those two with the DRLs, but I don't know. I may or may not get those. They're not even really that big of a difference. But I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. And that I don't know, bro. It's back to looking pretty ashy, man. Pretty ashy. If y'all ain't check out that video, I did a video on, what was it called? What was that thing called? Dang. I feel like the president right now, forgetting everything. That video was what? That mother's plastic restore for the headlights, whatever it's called, something like that. But I'm gonna let y'all go. I'll keep talking. I'm gonna let y'all go. I should have way more videos coming out soon. A bunch of different content. I'm gonna catch y'all. Peace.